everyone, this is KRISH for Criteriyeah, and today I'm going to review the Oneplus 5T from Oneplus. With the OnePlus 6 just around the corner for the release, you might be wondering, is it really worth it? Well, with that optimism, let's get started. With just around 10 days with Android 8.1 Oreo and a security update for the OnePlus 5T, OnePlus has just given a refreshing change for the 5T, although I can pretty much say there isn't anything major. Thanks to the Snapdragon 835 chipset and an effective blend of 6 gigs of RAM in the particular variant just makes everything work in a flawless fashion for our day-to-day usage. With the traditional lacking among people and more of a personal preference, the OnePlus 5T gives you that little edge with an almost pure Android experience, which hypothetically gives you the hope of a lag-free interface. From trying to influence the iPhone users to the Android platform with gesture features like the iPhone X itself, and with some interesting additions to the overall UI, OnePlus has predominantly left no stone uncovered. With Apple initiating the first blood, the face unlock feature seems to be a primary focus among most smartphone makers today. And yeah, unlike Apple, this can only unlock your OnePlus 5T. But if you are an iPhone X user, it will make you wonder how quickly it actually does it. The setup is fast, and what actually matters is super fast. By having the fingerprint sensor for security, OnePlus just nailed the overall package. With the 5T's face unlock feature not so predictable, especially under low lighting conditions, the fingerprint sensor comes in very handy. With the familiar setup procedure, like most of our other smartphones, it does promises to be a quick and responsive fingerprinter. With OnePlus having the traditional backing of good camera implementation, the expectations have always been higher. And with the OnePlus 5T, they did not disappoint. With a 16 and 20 megapixel dual rear camera in which the secondary lens is dedicated for low light photography at f1.7 and a more likely 16 megapixel front facing shooter at f2.0 just seems to give that little edge, especially in low lighting conditions. Having said that, photography with the OnePlus 5T in general is something you can bet on any given time of the day. With the portrait mode, pro camera interface and a 4K video capability, the OnePlus 5T can easily make the cut if you're looking for a good camera phone. With a flagship processor equipped with higher blend of RAM, the OnePlus 5T promises to be an effective gaming device. But even with an Adreno 540 GPU on a Snapdragon 835 with 6 gigs of RAM, gaming seems to be a bit edgy. Heavy games like Asphalt 8 seems to be a touch laggy, although our naked eye can easily get fooled and not really catch it initially. Having said that, because of the inconsistency with the lags and a seamless graphical output, the OnePlus 5T can still be a gaming force to reckon with. Hey everyone, this is KRISH for Criteriyeah, and today we're gonna unbox the OnePlus 5T. Let's get started. With the traditional balance of brilliant design and specifications, OnePlus has always put its best foot forward every time they come out with their flagship up. And with the company's so-called policy of coming out with a flagship device hypothetically every 6 months, the OnePlus 5T still holds the spotlight. Well, with the company's emphasis more on the user-friendly nature, the OnePlus 5T is here to stay. With good specifications, brilliant camera, design, and of course, the performance, I kind of believe it is something which is a complete package and will hold its spot. To make the case even stronger, let me tell you, Nokia's latest flagship, the Sirocco series, also runs on the similar processor. And with the OnePlus 6 right down the corner, you can pretty much expect a price cut on the 5T, which makes the case even more stronger. So if you have any further questions or queries about the particular device, you can drop them in the comment section below. And if you like my content, consider subscribing and also click on the bell icon to get notifications on my latest postings. Until I see you in the next one, do take care of yourself and thank you very much for watching.